What I'm going to cover today is the importance of Bitcoin, the safest way to store your Bitcoin and crypto, how to stay calm in bear markets, and finally, how to prepare for the next bull market. Markets are cyclical. Every market is cyclical, and there will be another crypto bull market, in my opinion. Now, when there is, I can't tell you, but I can tell you how to prepare for it. To kick us off, we're going to start with the importance of Bitcoin. It's not easy to understand Bitcoin at first. In fact, it took me 5 years to fully understand it. But if you listen to what I've got to say, I feel you'll catch on much sooner. Fiat currency can be manipulated. Just look what governments have done to economies around the world over the last 10-15 years. The share price of companies can be manipulated. The price of gold can even be manipulated. Most things, as you can imagine, can be manipulated, but Bitcoin cannot be manipulated. And this is because it's decentralized, meaning governments and central banks can't increase the supply and reduce the value. They can't interfere with it, basically. They can't interfere with loose monetary policy. Bitcoin is safe and secure. Bitcoin is scarce, as there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin tokens ever. And Bitcoin has the potential to be the global reserve currency. At the very least, it forms part of the solution to the current broken financial system. See the video description for my favorite Bitcoin book. A book I'm convinced will help you to fully understand the importance of Bitcoin. The safest way to store your Bitcoin and crypto. This is important. Now, a common saying in the crypto world is not your keys, not your coins. This is very relevant given what's happened to crypto over the last few weeks and months. Public and private keys are an integral part of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They allow you to send and receive cryptocurrency without requiring a third party to verify transactions. The public and private keys fit together as a key pair. You may share your public keys in order to receive transactions, but your private keys must be kept secret. Your private keys are in a cryptocurrency wallet, which is typically a mobile or desktop software or a specialized hardware device, a cold wallet. The hardware wallet is known as a cold wallet. If you keep cryptocurrency on an exchange, then the exchange is the custodian of your private keys. You trust in the exchange with your keys the same way you trust a bank's vault to hold your gold, for example. If an exchange goes down or collapses, you can potentially lose all of your crypto assets. And so the safest way to store your crypto is in a cold wallet. And this is because you have control of your private keys for your crypto. How to stay calm during bear markets. This isn't easy, to be honest. You're probably better off taking a little break from crypto to go and meditate with some monks in India. This will calm you down. But seriously, there are ways like doubling down on education, reading books by expert investors, and you will find ways to remain calm. Don't check on the price too much. Maybe restrict yourself to checking your crypto prices once a month or even once every couple of months. Trust me, this will help you. It's definitely helped me out in 2022 as I've zoomed out and I'm now thinking 5 to 10 years. You can do other things like physical exercise, and this will help you to calm down. Personally, I meditate daily. I have a cold shower and then do some form of physical exercise, like getting my 10,000 steps in. Be aware that being too emotional when it comes to money and investing will bring stress and anxiety. Trust me. Work on being neutral around money and investing. It's so important. Again, it's not easy, but it is possible. The crypto market caused me a lot of stress last year, but things have changed this year as I've managed to remain neutral. And this is because of my routines and doubling down on my financial education. Just try and remember that your health is really important. Health is wealth, and being calm is only a good thing for your health. How to prepare for the next bull market. Millionaires were made in the last crypto bull market, and millionaires will be made in the next. But before you even think about becoming a crypto millionaire, there are steps you need to take. Don't just look for the next 10x, 100x altcoin by looking at questionable YouTube videos. Education, education, education. Financial literacy is so important. If you read the books and consume other content like podcasts and YouTube videos on investing, you're preparing for the next bull market. You will learn what the experts have done for decades. You will learn what works and what doesn't. This current bear market and fear surrounding money and investing reminds me so much of 2009 and 2010. I was gripped by fear after the financial crisis of 2008 and 2009, but those that stuck with investing became millionaires. I'm going to learn from my previous mistakes, like when I was gripped by fear in 2009, and how this led to a negative decade for me surrounding money and investing. I'm going to keep on investing, and I want the same for you. Decide what you want to invest in and invest every month, dollar cost average. Invest what you can afford. Decide on a strategy. When you educate yourself, you'll learn what works for you. Personally, I'm long-term buy and hold with property, index investing, stocks and crypto. With crypto, I invest a small amount in Bitcoin every week. This is because I'm convinced by Bitcoin and know how important it is to invest despite market ups and downs, despite market conditions. To prepare for the next bull market, you need to put the work in. Being an investor is hard work, but if you get some financial literacy, you will be able to invest safely and you can invest with skill. And who knows, you might just become a millionaire during the next bull market. This is an important video to me, and I would appreciate if you could share it with at least one of your friends and family. My intention is to help as many people as possible in the current bear market and to also help them to prepare for the next bull market. Anyway, that's just about it for today's video. If you've enjoyed the content, a thumbs up would be massively appreciated. Thanks for listening.